Hello, fellow cryptocurrency traders. Today is the day for some market update and also market possibilities that you may take advantage of this week, which will bring fresh money out of the oven. Are you ready for some wonderful news that I'll be sharing with you today? Buckle up and grab your popcorn because we'll be updating you on prospective tokens. Market are recently declining due to failing to break resistance, which is a sad news for the bull boys, but some unique tokens are in a good shape momentum wise. Are you curious? Do not skip this video till the end, as I will let you know the tokens by this week that has good potential and momentum. October is a month that crypto investors look forward to, since the crypto market normally exhibits significant development during this period. However, Bitcoin, BTC, failed to break through its moving average, MA, in the first week of October, extending its downward phase. Bitcoin is worth $27,598 at time of this video uploaded. US stock benchmarks rebounded after a tense week, while the retreat in treasuries extended as Wall Street debated the odds the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates again this year. After all, according to my analysis, October is typically a good month for equities. The S&P 500 ended October 0.9% higher on average between 1950 and 2021. Let's hope October provides some reprieve from the sweltering summer heat in marketplaces. But here comes the bright part, the tokens. Are you curious which tokens can be a good momentum upward or downward this week? Here you go. With the debut of the new game Big Time, gaming tokens such as Box, YGG, and Magic are on the increase. Big Time is a large-scale multiplayer role-playing game on the Ethereum blockchain, developed by a team from the United States. It's evocative of The Legend of Zelda. AI tokens RNDR and WLD are now operational. RNDR has proposed a cooperation with OpenAI and will migrate to the Solana chain in October. WLD market makers must repay 100 million tokens before the end of October. The public chain AVAX has witnessed a significant growth after establishing a clone project dubbed Stars Arena by Buddy Tech. Many individuals are benefiting from its airdrop. The DeFi public chain Conto has risen in value. Originally part of the Cosmos ecosystem, it is currently migrating to Ethereum's ZK-L2 in conjunction with Polygon. The value of the cross-chain rune has plummeted after it was halted in operation owing to hackers utilizing it for money laundering. You may be wondering where you can acquire this token and benefit from it. As is customary, all of this coin is listed on Bitget, thus I propose Bitget as a go-to exchange. Register or sign into Bitget by accessing their website. After that, you can click Spot Trade, as all the token is listed in this section. Spot Trade is like the core of crypto trading. Before you are getting further, you can deposit some USDT to trade those tokens if you haven't. Now you can find all those cash cow tokens listed there. Voila. That is all the steps to do a spot trade on Bitget exchange. But make sure you research and make further analysis with technical analysis. All tokens shown in this video is a gateway for users to earn more profits with Bitget. Also stay tuned for more Bitget events up ahead, which full of bonuses and delicate rewards. Also make sure to subscribe my channel and like this video if you like these kind of info. Trade now with Bitget and be the profit surfer.